Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the flow. Make sure you have account access, 2FA ready, and the target app or portal open. Once those pieces are in place, enable developer or API access in settings and note the exact scopes required. This determines what the token can do. Next, open an incognito window to avoid cached sessions. Then proceed to the authorization or token issuance page, so you can start the token request immediately. You now perform the main exchange to obtain the token. First, pick the correct grant type, authorization code for user flows, client credentials for server to server, because that decides required parameters. Then provide client ID, client secret, and the exact redirect URI as registered. Mismatches cause failures. Send the request using the portal or a post to the token endpoint and immediately capture headers and the JSON response. Once done, parse access token, expires in, and refresh token so you can store them securely and continue. You finish by storing and using the token safely. Save access and refresh tokens in an encrypted vault or restricted environment variables, and prefer short-lived tokens with automatic refresh to reduce risk. When calling APIs, include the token in the authorization header as bearer and check expires in to refresh proactively. If something goes wrong, first verify system time, exact redirect URI, and that client ID/client secret are correct. Make sure requested scopes were granted, and then retry the token exchange after fixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.